red lip, bold blue eyeshadow, cut crease, jewels, highlight. We have all the things in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my sunny babes. How are you guys doing? I feel like I'm actually talked to the camera in a really long time. I'm very out of rhythm, so sorry about it. But we've got an exciting video for you guys today. But before we get into it, I just want to talk about, I'm going to be featuring some quotes in my videos from now on. I have these beautiful cards and I'm going to link these down below, as well as feature the business, because I am just loving these inspirational quotes on a card. They just really get me through. So these are super cute. They're decorated and they have like calligraphy on them. This one says, "You can and you will," and that is the message of today's video. Basically, I'm going to be talking about the fact that because I'm using Black-owned brands, I want people to know that as Black people, we can do anything. And so can anyone else, but I want to reach, because my audience is mostly Black people, so I want to reach out to those that are just like me and let them know that you can do anything, you will succeed, you will conquer in Jesus' name. And yeah, and for the rest of my followers, that follows for you too. So just love on yourself today. Just want you to know that you can and you will succeed in Jesus' name. So let's go ahead and get started with the video, because I'm already 1 minute and 30 seconds in, girl. Like, let's go. Okay. So 4th of July look with Black-owned brands. I think it's doable. Also, look at my nails. Do you see them? Aren't they cute? It's like little marble detail and it matches. Look at this aesthetic, except for their Auburn. Don't look at that part because I'm not sponsored by Auburn, but basically we got a whole ideal here. Okay, so I couldn't find like a really dark color of a Black-owned brand, so I used this from Patricia Bright. It's not Black-owned brand, but it is a Black woman's collab, so technically in the same realm. I just wanted like a darker color to go in the crease, because otherwise it just looks kind of bland, like, ugh. So to mix in with that, I'm going to be using some reds. I'm gonna start with the Ada, I think it's Ada. I'm not sure, you guys. The Ada from the Masquerade mini palette, and I'm just gonna go up here and start blending out this darker brown color that I have here. Who else closes their eyes when they drink something? Let me know. Okay. Now I'm going to use, this is the Saharan Blush Volume 1, and I'm taking the shade Abi, which is a deep purple color, and I'm going to pack this out. What side is the, okay. I'm gonna pack this on here. Is the fun part. And by fun part, You know I don't mean fun, but I have to do it because we have to cut our crease. So I'm gonna use this brush and my eye primer, or I might use concealer because my eye primer has been doing something funky. So I'm gonna try to use this primer to cut my crease. I may use concealer. I'll let you know when I come back. I now have this part done. You guys, this is gonna be so excited with this blue. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on, I'm gonna pop on a blue color. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do like a ombre effect. So I'm gonna take the shade 𝓷𝓷𝓂, which is a, oh my god, such a beautiful color. It's so pretty. Okay, look. This pigment is popping. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I literally did not plan this look at all. Look at how pretty. Ugh. And I think I was gonna put color up here, but I think instead of color, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I might put some jewels up there. Jewels. Okay. Now I have a really deep blue that I'm gonna put down. It is the color 𝓲𝓭, and it's gonna go right. Oh, that's so cohesive. Look at how that just blended with that. Oh yeah, get into it. That was perfect. So I've already done a full face of black owned brands in general, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll come back to do my lips, and I will show you some awesome people because I'm very excited about this lip situation. Okay, we are at the final stage of this entire thing, and this is not okay, I'm gonna do it exactly the way I did the bronzers. This is not black owned, but it was a black collaboration, and I personally love this group that I'm about to feature. This was a collaboration with Milani. It is the Salt and Peppa collaboration. You guys, I'm not making this up. Salt and Peppa collaborated with Milani, and they have a lip kit. So it's a matte liquid lipstick, a matte lipstick like the bullet formula, and a lip. This is the second kit. It is in the shade Push It. You guys, it's so nostalgic. I love it. Their iconic red power pout. So the color is Push It on both the liner and the lipstick. They did have an eyeshadow palette that they launched too, but I have so many palettes right now. I do not need another palette. Oh, I could put this liner on just by itself. It's so creamy. It's bright. Okay. I'm not gonna apply anymore. That's a very bold lip. Now, here's the thing. I do like this a lot. I would not personally wear this by itself. I, again, would use a liner because I just feel more comfortable with liner and a bright lip than just the lip. So I'm gonna zhuzh this up just a little. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I really did. I love you guys so much, so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.